In the world of high-performance driving and premium comfort on the road, two tires stand out in Michelin's lineup, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus and the Pilot Sport 5. But how do they stack up against each other? After a 7-year wait, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 has taken the driving world by storm, earning top honors in its debut season. Meanwhile, the Michelin Primacy 4 Plus follows the success of its predecessor with a significant compound upgrade, promising unmatched comfort and performance. Today, we're diving deep into the showdown between these two titans. Let's break down the performance. Starting with the wet conditions, the Pilot Sport 5 outshines with superior braking and handling, beating the Primacy 4 Plus by significant margins. However, when we switch to dry conditions, the Pilot Sport 5 continues to lead, albeit with a narrower advantage, showcasing its prowess in both wet and dry scenarios. Comfort and noise levels are where the Primacy 4 Plus shines, offering a quieter and more comfortable ride compared to its sportier counterpart. And on the sustainability front, both tires present impressive rolling resistance figures, with the Primacy 4 Plus slightly edging out the Pilot Sport 5. In the head-to-head battle on both wet and dry terrains, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 clearly outpaces the Primacy 4 Plus, showcasing its superior performance and grip. Not to be totally outdone, the Primacy 4 Plus excels in comfort and rolling resistance. However, it's important to note our comparison didn't cover tire wear, an area where we anticipate the Primacy 4 Plus might have the upper hand due to its design aimed at longer life and durability. This has been another Top Tire Review Showdown. For more tire reviews, comparisons, and updates, subscribe to our channel. Drive safe, and see you on the road.